I want to do a little tour of my shop today. I am in a 32 by 24 metal building. It is insulated. We'll start with, right by the front door, I have a drill press, very handy tool. I've got a grinder, a disc sander, cabinet. Up top there's a guitar that I was not able to finish. Right next to that is a sled that I use to cut slots on a fretboard for a guitar. There is a guitar that I also did not finish, but so I cut the top off and hung it up. It's a nice decoration piece, but it's also a good reference when I am trying to build a guitar on how the bracing is supposed to be laid out. Everybody's got a pegboard with their tools on it. I also have an old shop vac hooked up that I run to this hose right here, and I will plug that into my sander when I'm my random orbital sander, so I can keep some of the dust down. My chisels, one of my hand planes right there. My desk is a real sturdy desk that I built years ago with the help of a neighbor, Daryl Shelton, and it's a good, solid workbench. Up here, just some stuff. I have a tool shed right here, a toolbox right here, like battery chargers, a cabinet, my speakers up here. There's a guitar neck, a couple of more guitar rims that there's a pattern here. You see there's a lot of guitars that I've tried to build that I never, did not come to, didn't work out for a whole host of reasons. There's a set of drawings for a mandolin, which is my current project. Over here on top of this cabinet, got a miter saw for cutting metal, some scrap metal up there. Got a 6-foot door in the back and an 8-foot door in the front. And the reason I wanted the 2 doors was to keep a breeze going and be able to allow a breeze to blow through here. Compressor, belt sander, and on this side of my shop are my tools that can utilize dust collection. So here is my dust collector over here in the corner, and from it I can provide dust collection for my jointer, my planer, my bandsaw, and my drum sander, and my router table. And the way you control the airflow on that, or the suction, or with these baffles, you open them up and that'll allow the air to come down here. You close it, open this one, and it would divert the air down, or the suction down through that tube. I also have a welder. Got a lot to learn on that still. Over here I have just a standard chop saw. Have several jigs hanging on the wall here. That one on the far left is a jig to clamp down when you're gluing or cutting the taper for the neck or the fretboard of a guitar. The one to the right is a jig used to glue up the neck and the headstock on the guitar. The one with the handle right there is it'll cut a 15-degree angle on a piece of wood for the neck of the guitar, and that of course is a mold to bend on the sides. There is a mold from a mandolin. Right here is a jig I use to cut the dovetail mortise and tenon to join the neck to the body of the guitar. Here is my table saw. It is a Delta contractor saw. It's a workhorse. It's been wonderful. I've had it for a long time. Little sled that I have here that you can use to cut small pieces. And in the middle I have a table that you can raise up and down, and on top is a patio table that I am currently working on. So that is it. That is my shop. One quick pass around. It's a place that I really enjoy being in. I like like it a lot out here.